Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Ton from Ton Space Beta to Telegram main wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First open your Telegram wallet, then tap on Ton Space Beta. Here make sure you have Toncoin available and ready to transfer. Now tap on Send. Here, tap on your wallet, and here you can enter the amount of Ton depending on your balance. So make sure not to send all of your balance as we need to pay a transaction fee for this. Now tap on Continue. After that, tap on Confirm and Send. You can see our Ton has been sent. Tap on Done. Now let's wait for a couple of minutes. Tap on the 3 icon. Then tap on Reload Page. As you can see, our Ton balance in Ton Space Beta has disappeared. Now let's check our main wallet. Let's wait a few more minutes. Again, tap on the 3 icon and then tap on Reload Page. After waiting a few minutes, our Ton from Ton Space Beta has been successfully transferred to our main wallet. So that's basically how you can transfer Ton from Ton Space Beta to Telegram main wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.